AxiomProtect enhances Windows login security with multi-factor authentication, MFA, requiring users to verify their identity through methods like push notifications or OTP. Setup involves configuring the installer, assigning users, activating MFA options, and monitoring logins via the Axiom dashboard. Here's how to implement it. Begin by logging into the Axiom dashboard and copying the provider information. Locate the downloaded configuration file in the Remote Access Config file folder in your downloads. Open the installer and agree to the terms and conditions. Select the previously downloaded configuration file during the installation process. To retrieve the secret key, navigate to the Axiom dashboard, copy the key, and paste it into the installer. Complete the setup by clicking Next, finishing the installation process, and ensuring the installer is ready for use. Once the installer is set up, users must be assigned to the application for proper access. Go to the Axiom dashboard, search for the required username under the Users section, and copy the user's ID. Navigate to the Application section, locate the application by name, and open it. Paste the copied user ID to assign the user to the application, ensuring the user is linked and authorized for access. After setup and user assignment, lock your system to test the Windows login process. On the lock screen, entering an incorrect password will result in an invalid attempt. Enter the correct password to trigger the Axiom MFA form. Select your preferred authentication method. For OTP, click on the Send OTP option, retrieve the OTP from your email, and enter it in the form before clicking Verify to log in. To activate push authentication, visit the Axiom dashboard and check the assigned application in the Apps and Roles tab. Click on the View QR code option to begin the activation process. Install the Absolute Token application on your mobile device and scan the QR code provided. A registration code will be sent to your email. Enter this code on your mobile device to activate the MFA token. This enables the push authentication method for future logins.
Test push authentication by locking your device and attempting to log in. Enter the password to trigger the MFA form. If the MFA window is closed, the response will be marked as invalid, so ensure the process is completed. Select the push option and send the request to your mobile device. Approve the push notification on your mobile, which will allow the desktop login to proceed. Administrators can monitor login activity through the Axiom dashboard by accessing the Users section and reviewing the audit trail. The logs display details such as the device ID, action performed, and the result of the request. For push authentication, specific actions and results related to the login process can also be examined, ensuring transparency and security in the login process.
AxiomProtect's MFA for Windows enhances security by requiring identity verification beyond passwords. With OTP and push authentication, it ensures flexible, secure access to critical systems. Audit trails monitor user activity, tracking login attempts and responses, highlighting AxiomProtect's reliability in safeguarding access and data.